Welcome back, my name is Zane, and today we're having a look at Tezos. We've got some big news for Tezos holders, for anyone who's interested in Tezos. It's going to be exciting. So before we continue with this video, allow me to declare that this video is not financial advice. It's strictly for educational purposes and for entertainment purposes. I will be doing my own price prediction on Tezos. We've also got a price prediction from the Investor's Place. We'll go through this as well. We'll also go through some latest news on Tezos. Tezos reached 1,000 TPS recently, and you can read all about it on Tezos Agora. So this was quite a milestone. This was quite exciting. Obviously, I saw this tweet. It was published on April the 21st, but the blog post was in March apparently. So either way, we'll get to go through it and try to understand the big changes that have been made to Tezos, because this is a big deal. And Tezos price is doing relatively good right now. It's at $2.84, which is really good. Circulating supply, 893 million. And it's 2.5 billion in market cap, which ranks it at 42 in the world. Now, naturally, like I said, we will go through some of the latest news on Tezos, such as the 1000 TPS news, which is huge. It's a big deal. And of course, Aleph.im integrates with Tezos to provide a decentralized NFT storage solution. So let's start with the big Tezos news. Lightning fast, Tezos storage is 6 times faster with 1000 TPS surpasses. Over the past year, the Tarides storage team have been focused on scaling the storage layer of Octez, the most popular node implementation for Tezos blockchain. With the upcoming release of Octez V13, we're reaching the performance of gold supporting 1000 TPS per second or 1000 transactions per second in the storage layer. This is a 6x improvement over Octez. Even better, this release has made a storage layer order of magnitudes more stable, with 12x improvements in mean latency of operations. At the same time, we reduced the memory use for 80%. Now, Octez requires mere 400 megabytes of RAM to bootstrap nodes. So this is fantastic. This is a chart of the transactions per second doing chain relays. So with Octez 10, the transactions per second was 187. With Octez 11 and 12, it was 215. And with Octez 13, it's 1048. So that's quite significant. And the thing is that this can always continue to be developed and to improve, which means that the speed of Tezos could improve over time. This also drops the memory usage, like I was saying before. The Octez 13 uses significantly less energy, which is just great for Tezos. Less energy, less storage, less space, less memory. That is brilliant. This is exactly what we needed. But ultimately, this is one of the main reasons why I like it. So as for Investor's Place, price prediction for Tezos, they're basically saying they're starting off with a Gov Capital and its 1-year price forecast of $6.64 for Tezos. Next on the list is WalletInvestor, which is currently expecting the price of Tezos to hit $3.96 1 year from now. There is DigitalCoinPrice, closes us out with the publication holding a Tezos price prediction of $3.62. But perhaps the most ambitious was Gov Capital with $6.64 for Tezos price prediction, and it's not stated when. So this article was published 2 days ago, so bear in mind the information is a little bit old. It was published on the 3rd of May, as you can see, and Tezos at the time was 5.2% up over the last 24 hours period, and this was on Monday afternoon. Investors searching for more of the latest crypto news are in the right place. So the reason why these price predictions are important is because these are the companies, these are the institutions that are investing in Tezos. A lot of cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Tezos, Solana. They have a lot of institutional investment money. A lot of big companies invest in their money into these cryptocurrencies. These huge corporations and companies, they also invest in stocks and shares heavily. In fact, they invest in stocks and shares the majority of the time. And sometimes they probably put 5 to 10% of their portfolio into cryptocurrency. But it's important to look at their price prediction because it gives us an idea of what they're thinking. It gives us an idea of what the expert in their institutional thinking. If we're looking at Tezos right now, we can clearly see that it's undervalued at $2.84. The reason I say this is because the platform, the blockchain, Tezos itself is vast. It's a place where builders, creators, and programmers and developers can build software. They can build dApps. They can build anything from DeFi apps to NFT dApps, gaming apps, stablecoins, block explorers, literally anything you can think of you can build. So this puts Tezos in a similar league to Solana, Avalanche, Ethereum. It's a direct competitor to those services and to those platforms. It's a direct competitor. So I do believe that it's heavily undervalued because Tezos is one of the well-known projects, and it's well known that when it comes to development, they are improving on this on a monthly basis. They want more people to develop on their platform, and in time they will get this. But this is why I have such huge respect for Tezos. Now, in other news, like I was saying, Aleph.im integrates with Tezos to provide resilience storage solutions for NFTs. Aleph is a decentralized blockchain storage and computer network. They've announced recently an integration with Tezos blockchain, and aligned with Aleph's previous integration with blockchains like Solana, Ethereum, and Polygon. The Tezos integration will make it easy for developers building on Tezos blockchain to seamlessly connect with Aleph's decentralized infrastructure. So Tezos-based dApps and marketplace will be able to utilize Aleph's distributed compute and storage nodes, and Tezos NFTs will gain an extra layer of built-in security and performance through a native backup of comprehending metadata to Aleph's decentralized network. So the NFT market generates over 23 billion in trading volumes in 2021, and as the rest of the cryptocurrency market has struggled in early 2022, the NFT space continues to grow in popularity. However, critics of the space are quick to point out that the vast majority of NFTs still directs the end user to store data on cloud storage network managed by centralized Web 2 corporations like Amazon and Oracle. Not only does this mean that outage or interruption in service can cause NFTs to be temporarily inaccessible, but in the event of a centralized cloud storage network, providers were able to cease to exist or go out of business. The lack of redundancy in traditional cloud architecture could potentially render crucial NFT metadata non-existent. So Aleph.im addresses these issues directly with an IPFS connected NFTs backup dApp, which pins crucial NFT metadata more than 50 times to each core channel nodes of the Aleph.im decentralized network. So this is great news. They're trying to solve one of the biggest problems with NFTs, and that's making it more decentralized, which is great for everyone who likes NFTs. It's great for everyone who wants to get involved in NFTs. So Aleph.im recently became a technological partner for Ubisoft to provide a decentralized storage solution for Ubisoft Core's NFT. Aleph.im has integrated with several other major blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon to provide unstoppable storage and indexing solution. This mass migration decentralized storage like Aleph.im signals that Web3 as a whole is moving closer and closer to ensure crucial data remains fully accessible indefinitely. And Aleph itself is a distributed cloud platform that provides serverless trusted computational services, file storage, data hosting to its users. Aleph offers a decentralized solution that could rival traditional centralized cloud computing, which is good, which could disrupt business like Amazon, Oracle, and even Google Clouds. Now, ultimately, I think we're in a great place for Tezos to capitalize on what's going on in the market right now. The market is going down, and it's continually going down. But in the last month, we found a bottom for Tezos, a bottom price, $2.43. That's significant to note. And since then, it's been recovering from $2.43 to where it is right now at $2.84. And like I said, Tezos has a good supply. The circulating supply is 893.4 million. It's a high supply, but it's not over a billion, which is a good sign. But it wasn't too long ago, 1 month ago, Tezos was $3.89, which plays right into par with WalletInvestor's prediction for Tezos at $3.96. They're basically looking at the previous month and saying, well, clearly we can get back to where we were before. Tezos has proven itself to go as high as $4.51. And it's proven itself last year in October, I believe, it was $8.70. So $2.84 is just truly undervalued, which is great for us because it means that it's cheap. And once again, this is not financial advice. Tezos did this. Tezos went to $8.70 on its own merits without any help, without trying to mislead or trick the market into thinking it's doing something that it's not. Tezos has always remained true to what it's doing and to what they're trying to accomplish. Long term, to be honest, I think Tezos can easily get back to say $5 easily this year, and $10 is even more optimistic if the bull run does come on time. However, for the near future, which means for this month and for the month of June, I'm expecting Tezos to get back to at least above $3 and possibly even $3.25 or $3.50. I'm being quite optimistic, but I'm mostly thinking long term to the end of this year, $5 to $10 at least. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more, and of course I will see you in my next video.